Abusana penso ya ma wache ama wakwaba o hwe live Adom TV sanso oti enka sempa 94.7 FM. Chene suma me da dru say ya na wotwe dwumadi ene ye de brel ewo TV so sanso na oti enka radio so ene eye July bosome ne da etoso enan mfe afe 2020 emu. Anapai enkomo no ensesan edwode atwamu na electoral commission abato adwuma ekuo no ehye ase se wotwe abato kata afoforo kra oman yi mu ansa na Simon Nnawotwe beba so no ehuntwenu ahwo bebre ni nyina ede wani madeja but finally no abrowatimi yi puma kwam ma afe ye ka say abato kata no electoral commission ahye wo hwe animu se 33,367 registration centers o man mu nyina no in phases abato kata abato di ntwe no ebetime akoso sa faces ne kra na pay bebo ehomode ne atimi atiase yi esanse edimenti me hwase bebre ene de aba education no anshada ankoso papa enti obi ho no ma obekọ ne police station na nka ohwe anim se obetimi atwere ne din no obekọ no na esi enduru wo so eno anapai ye be domasuko na yahwe electoral commission no ehwe animu say between 16 million to 16.5 million eligible voters there yebetimi atwere wo mo edin brana pay yebe yesin konye ye hwe so far ene ye de toso enum ene ye de toso nsia ye hwe abato krata no edin twere no ase foforo ye access so far sane edin twere no akọ yebe hwe na fei ya hwe the dynamics in the current registration exercise electoral commission what they ashishe suyi enso stronya ababedan temu menti for the first time you can correct me if I'm wrong but for the first time in our nation's history yehunu approach for womo ebo ban ewo abato dintwere emu Ghana ha ede na sesan ede na sie and then again the election rigging machinery already amanyofo binum afiase raising red flags say aban oteso no wo boni trimupo say obewia abato krata no abato ayeba beto no emu violence akoso emiamia bebre awutu senya east constituency yehunu mabo ene nipa wo muti apai man apempam ni ade ni nyina yehunu awutu senya east constituency assemblyman of Wayon City ono so yebo nani so ma say yakasai ono so bia woda no ate se mu eden pa yakọ atebu amanten a ohon so NDC executive so mo ho entokwa koso wo ho ma constituency secretary and a constituency organizer omo nyina omo ho eka adwamu sa so asanwase constituency so yete say NDC executives ni bi wo ho a approach for ache wo mo say wo mo ekuta registration forms eno na ese edeto abai eno so sansem wo nyina akoso anapa ye besim konya na fei yahwe so far abato di ntro no akosen obetumi abeka me ho Facebook Adom TV on Facebook Asempa 94.7 FM enso ewo Facebook anapa empanifo amene omo eba betwetwe enkomo na ya bisa se abato di ntro kekewo ene yakwa akotwere just okoto santene na ya twere wudin ena adane emaboy ede na esie moving into the December polls no then ye betumi aye ede afa ho orapo boaten a security analyst with Africa Center for Security and Intelligence Studies onoba be kayensa sanso na Dr. Charles Amoagima or lecturer University of Ghana Legon ono so ba be kayensa ye zoom no so mpanifo so ba be kayen ho e wo zoom no so Ora Evans ni mako or director of elections for the NPP onoba be kayensa wo zoom no so Chief Baini deputy national organizer of the NDC ono so ye hwe nim so ba be kayensa sanso na ye hwe nim se tretre for penny oda NDC amayoko no ano Ora Johnson Esiedu Enketia General Mosquito enso ba be kayensa e wo zoom no so na ye no mpanifo nyina ato adwene na yetimi ahwe nia yakoi se ebetumi aboa ene sachara ye wo mu a ebetumi ayeyie midin edi Chief Jerry Forson abato ne hyase adwoada nia akoso emiamia binum yakeka ne ma bi abom mesrel dintwere no hyase adwoada niam bebre na akoso yakọ emiamia police stations ahodo on the various regions and constituencies yaka ne ma bi abom a yehwe we ye ba abedafo besim konya
High Assemblies of God Building and our Registration Center. I will Marina constituency. Chino. Do not answer about Hanum Yakmachi. Only Johnny Q Nana. So, you know, they get to expectation is that electoral officers on the registration of the baby, and also the Ecoso and the registration of and now said, microphobia had numbers. The who said, about social distance, society and Timbia, and now I know say, oh, the new one, Obiam, social distance, or because once I can understand the police max, because we share max, which I mean, Veronica Market be near, so Veronica Market to not in Fiona, Marina constituency. Assembly of God Police Center, I don't think we didn't come here.
ID card. You do have 5:30. May you Juma. It is some buy my ID card and enter. Let me see me cocoa my Juma. I mean, I'm my hantam, sir. Yes, almost about 7 o'clock. The train or Mamma Bar, no my yamai. No, we are mampla. No, my Jahan, no more coach or Moba. I feel on bed plan so much show me. Mamma state of Mogana, 9 not at 8. Because me a good in Sabri coming with Jum. Some Tom, my dear. And my bedin Hanum, some Baba and the Mako. If I will be any Hanum, 7 and more. And rushing to go, Baba, and Bashi shall be you. Not 8 grab.
That's right.
Omanpanyin abedi akire Mahamudu Bawumia de afutu amaganafo nyina se wonkoswa na ebra wonom etro wondin no wonni enhyehyeye egu akwam sese wonom ediso na covid-19 yare no ase antre e registration centers ahodo no wode sansemi tudwa e wa abra wokoka enipa wonom ewo Perega DA Primary School polling station ewo walewale ya ewo North East Mantemu na ono nso ekotro ni din edege ne new voter ID card bi wofasa akwanya no so de afutu e maganafo nyina se obia emomoden na wonfa ne ho enhye side introtro dwumadie yi mu esan se eno nko ene kwan a wonom ebetimi afaso eyi nipa obetimi ayempomtu dwuma wonom ehwe ne mu kwan no ama wonom ewo man mu
registration for my voters ID card at the polling station here my hometown. As you have observed, the process has been smooth. I was eager to see how the social distancing protocols were being observed, and I think that they have been observed very well. The process has been quite reasonably quick, and I used my national identification card as my evidence of identity. Everything has gone reasonably very smooth.
Any day a Tossamian electoral commission registration no ekoso. Sisi am no ka say me wo asinfo su matedis adweso ene business is the di kan no 9 registration centers na electoral commission start adwumedi no eno na wo mo egusu yi na wo hwe say adwumedi no ekọ no a ekọ kama pa wo hwe security wise ene eniama bibia eda kama first day no the whole electoral area me 9 polling centers are omo eye ehwaduma no omo to register 1034 there toso menu no omo register 1317 sanso ene da etoso miensa no omo etumi record 1400 and over until say wo kabo mu a eniama akokama over 3000 performance 3000 ni echi ene etumi a register so far say wo center hanso a I'll Canada so also. Nanka you say ideally nunca registration say first day no am rush but second day next so but this time around no obia abonu timi pose opeso onya card no nti am registration no amanfo do mo ha hye mu pa sisi e ba ne me koso kama yen se ebre ye ne amanfo bebo nkomo ne ahwe ne to so nan se de omusi ehu medie no ne e ba nso protocols me kire covid-19 safety protocols no se ye hohoro yen sa wo se medical bucket e wa ha no sanso na temperature gun thermometer no so bi e wa ha no ma oba ye de ebe check o sa na wo hu obi o ha bia nso a o she nose mask eno na eboa se de be ya mpo kasa na ya de bi wo ho a enkwa afoforo me no manfo no bi mo nkomo na ye hwese de gmedi no eko
oh kakra meka afa ho no se em se ba ye say discipline.
Well, enti amanfo binom agentse ne ekoso abato no di ntwere no emu na ye de abrɛ wo no anapa another area so ebehwe sa COVID-19 bra yi mu ene kwan a ye fa so edi emra ye de ato ho the safety protocols say ye di so sa COVID-19 bra yi mu o hwe video no a otumu say reporter en sakan no emia bi wo ho no ma bedu ho no na yato bibia atwene so obi ampo ni ho no ma twa na adwene mu say yare bi say wo ho no nti sa homban bo no enni ho anapɛ ye bedomo score na ya hwe bibi wo ho no mesenka yisi no ya wanye ana so yan nipa no a ye kwakotwe yedin no na yen ni ehuni in quote enti amani ayehuni ehunu Orapo Botin security analyst Africa Center for Security and Intelligence Studies patrasi Rabotin makwaba Rabotin dey say introduce na otwi dwumadi ye hye ase o ma ene o mo share sa dwumadi ase no ba ko ni Rabotin ye da CP na person agibre na oni e betwetwe nkomo ma menko zoom no so na me introduce Ora Nixon Chief Bini or Deputy National Organizer of the NDC Chief Otamen Kame Mwakwaba Ora Bini Otamen Kame
Hello CJ
Yes Chief
CJ
Meteon Kapa
Good morning
Apom boko de
Yakupon Adom na 1.5
Yede nyamiasi yeda CP say obejoin me ewo zoom ne so ye beba ho intermittently na ya twetwe nkomo no kama but measure say free Orapo but okay I think I have Ora Evans Nimako or the director of elections for the New Patriotic Party and so ewo zoom no so mini amako a odi ne ho asie me pa for so long Evans me makwaba
I image zoom apom design
nyame adom yeguso say so ho ye de
oba de adaroma
de nyame ase yen sha ko twetwe no ase every studio na fe wi a mako zoom no so roboting ye share dynamics in such a aba from previous registration exercises ye na fe ye de atoto ne currently ye yi ho from where you sit there na assistance such a ben e na wo roboting
see ye ne di kan ma menchia ye tiefo na ni titru nkoma mikromofo eye mikromo hene mechia ne pa na de kwa me autoso mienu
problem mu a
edun kwa de nkyere isanse ho na mi na mechia ko fodu afija ase fo so nyina because ho na metran fodu ni ameka ne se abato nhyehyeye no de obi anim se ensesan ye bebra bem ofiti 1992 eba kane no kra de na ya de thumb print no nko na e friend finger mark no eno nko na abi hu wo card so na wo de akoto aba e kire ne ba se ye be ye photo ID ana aba bedru biometric and this kind of ene kra de move akọ facial recognition mo ne ade enti no ensesan ye bebru abem so na sa na wo se ba ewiase ko nanim na ensesan ba enti ewiase ne sesan e wo se won so wo sesan wo bi enti no enhye dan nye nwanwa bebre sa enhye dan nye nwanwa bebre e wo se ensesan ye ne ba ana ye nyina ye nso ye di so
okay Chief Bini National Deputy Organizer of the NDC Chief Otemenka more NDC amayoko no so far days into the voter registration assessment at the saying Chief
Yo CJ medasi mi dire Otemenka
Meto nkapa
yo anope mechia awo na wetefu na panyifo amenyo na mabo na bado adwuma sunko a wodi wodi ma opangana ye nyina ye nyim ne mra ye wo mi onye me papa kunyi beka na we are not normal times na ye nyina na kama abatu share ye be obotum odin susando papa in terms of yen abato na ye pa photo no waba but kind of there before abato no na a lot of issues that political parties need to do now, including NDC, raise na isi ne assurance all the Adom there, but more than one make sure that while social distancing na the World Health Organization share young who answer home and sanitizer and things and whatever. Now, it raises questions there. Say what's about that man now? In fact, the Nimpa first 20 and Marshall the Nimpa first 20 na is in order there over Bana catching away to public truth. boom there one share wire the mini pan was to what she won't face mask na face or but you say aqua pro na aqua ground a boom there make my or two and I make my hours and another and so I can cry one thing there. You part of Dona why a crowd of the water through. The means pan of Bob, you do walk back, original there, or better was to. Now, so fair 20 now over to 1 fantasy. Don't let them space in work, but no question there. And Kafa will teach you, I want to work at the Kwamba Cup. So I had that one pap road and one camera. Like boom. Come there, or no, oh yeah, take a crack. Now, oh yeah, she's in there. Yeah, I'm better there. About to na nimpa do na winya yaba. And my opinion, I be members of parliament na yaba. Nimpa wonder na waba na waba be. On oyada or the yina yeshe because mesima yeye na yeye yada na orpo. Again, yakwa ba ya to aba na me yinyim de pependa ye won onye normal time. They expected it. Them are again or ni another but to be honest with you, the Eco district now, I have been through the central region. Minyoka say the Ishe district in a binomo military presence or now especially one MMBC now head of the security dissect when you want pro na walk polling stations now. Sometimes in the area now people feel that they are being intimidated. Sebi if about what you nanka onye military people na get one back the federal or your police food, immigration food, sometimes used to custom prison officers because the one where Kokubia over 2 months one and a year, and boom, Sabata, ye will cordona the obra, and he has a Asa for Yazaba. But then there is Shano, on your damn not the Asa from Susha, one to Tono Grana, one was those who was the police food now, war panel. Again, and today, and Profu, I had deliberate attempt to some areas be if you kaswa if you manufacturing ne kukwaiga ebohu ne ejuma ko and Profu oye
hello chief
elementary candidates award contest na one arrangement warrior was it 50 hello DJ
yeah chief meet Onka we lost you a bit more baby but you are back yes Onka hello chief Bani okay well my name Ora Evans de Mako and twaso Ora Evans de Mako temenka Ora Evans de Mako otemenka
CJ Metonka
good and my name and twaso so more assessment so far DJ chief macho jinadumam na mesanso ba hobio Ora de Mako so more assessment MPP so far at say
Oye mame na wasna mincha etefo na mincha Dr. Otis Studio ene yakonta Chibani Mejidi say so far no the chief akano represented do na ekoso in all the registration centers sa phase 1 adwumen Mejidi say amanfo ahokeka omode ekotro mudin no ehyen kran the native can baby or what security in some day ye to me can want some be brave say Mejidi say said the mramwe national security or police services or and other security agencies and so on into muni baby ye can say politically in flashpoint omo dispatche omo nkrofo se omo nkobua na bambonsem enkoyia megidi se ne kwan so a boa na ye nyina esese ye boa as political parties na ye ne ye manfo ekasa yi se de be ya omo kwa akotwro mu bi no omo bedi emra ewo hono so pepepe efa covid-19 won sem de ye be kan si so se obia Ghana ni bia wo pese otwro di no enkwa huhia enti o ya na fix mask no washibi na we distance ho kakra and shame no 6 days and a year say or the year registration no all face into all the polling stations no registration arrangements no ebi be koso wo ho yemwa said the be ya amanfo enkopo MP so eno de ha adwen kakra said the be ya ebewie no na ye wonkwa ne fire in free registration centers enko ye fie yes ehunya say Ghana ni bia emrama ho kwan no obekọ no akọtwere odin enso esan se emra yewum no enye mrempenti ye hwe ne emfa hyehyɛ papa ye ankasa CJ ade ne de omanpanyi aka health workers mpanyifo my advice bia aka ne ye wo nipa no onso betu anamo a ebeboa na wabọ ubia obekọ se okọ akọtwere odin no pese protocol se ya ya kan o de be ye adwuma na on fire enkomo bi anase onso onti yare eye incidents nketenketi bi asisi ne de be kan se ye ma security for no enye omadwuma ye mwa na omadwuma omo ye no emwa Ghana nyina na ye bato ho hyehye no entumpon ye edin ne ekwa akotro adenti na eze okofa registration material adenti na onye Ghana ni na still a person of so so ba betro udin me nyine se emra kwam no edane kwam yemwa political parties ye kan ho bi
menka
security e kan ho bi electoral commission e kan ho bi
Evans
CJ mu media fo mu kan ho bi pa me stress mu modin na Ghana fo hu se etutura sema ekoso e wo registration center
Evans ni mako otemenka
nipa mo hyehyɛ akire eni
Evans otemenka
CJ Pancha metonka
good so boa ebinom de bo electoral commission for the breach of protocols overcrowding na so face mask amanfo enhye na amposom tese electoral commission no wanye na dwuma yi south bo no ye de bo electoral commission na eyeye ana so yemfa mbo yankasa yakwa akotwere yedi no
meka se yemfa mbo yankasa ye pese ye kotwere yedi electoral commission there ye nyina na oye adwuma amayen enhyehyem ne se ansampo ne betro yedi no omampanyin dia ba betudwa number of times se ubia opese upie no hwese o hye o face mask enu ntini under EI 64 no nipa dodo okra ntimi nhirem embro ha SSC edi so sa enti electoral commission me mate and party ye boy party members amane ubia upie no make sure say o face mask no o hyebi you see there wa create registration center ne nkrofo a ewo ho ye adwuma no wa maomo PPE so mo de ye adwuma onso o kwa control within no hwe se onso abon ho ban enye se o person o control within ti se o wo yare bi a o de kwa akosai obi anase obi a onso o kwa akoje mi gidi se mi ase na bedu mi face e o bunso wo Easter chim no me kwa me make sure se mabo me ho ban saa so ne e ka se party for oye NDC mi o oye PSC mi o oye piadonko party ni na se okọ akọtro odi a hwese face mask no o hyebi enye di ntropo na apese okọtro odi na se upie mpa make sure se o hye saa de bi na abọ ho ban na nso abọ unua nso ho ban sije mi nyini se saa de ya ade a ne kan den
okay
na emum ye koye nim no matisa face mask na man for say ni yusu yo moden the doctor from penyifo church mu ne say ni yusu no eye esen say obekwa akoda hospital na ohomye eho beba asem enu nti ye besre Trani Bekusu Astra man for say crowd, and now society say will be an SSL or Henauste. Inti media for Momwanian to Sa and Amontui, Nagana for Yentiase. Sebebwa, it didn't try to be Abba. Yekase, and any day Numa air to aso. A basic ochna, not phase one or Abanewie. Not registration kit and SR be moved into another set of registration centers. Into one, sir.
Okay, but Evans, reports are Momon Saka, me as a media person, me coach but the report of intimidation, now Obo be so basing, and no motive free here for na then I'm going to my menje and watching through and no coach Vine.
You are here, and no, there more media for now, Mama Yaswati say, offer a Sutifi South, war, I have from Melma, Yenia, Ura, Collins down the cheetah for attack ye constituency organizer. Me did say, please for us to assemble. Yate, I was West Wogon. Yenianum NDC for Abo, yes, boss, ye bassin for. Send no crabby womb, send no cranium. CJ, more reporters no, and finding out. Na the year can you please for her political parties need be so MPP or na NDC or. I said no crabby ne womb. Na the mestre say a police service on my shed there. Say obi bia obi bu mraso efa din tray hono. Omone de no be fam rakwaso. Inti nye de Evans beka ana ma content buy ni beka. Nemum de edam na kwama police service behwe na akoso. Me te say chief eka say baby wo ha beko no na soldier for na wo ho monta de o ma hye kra ma mu yehu e ma registration no encourage amount for ma o mo register. Ni nyina wo ba say security e find now say baby flash point there. Me gidi say mrakwa mu no anamon papa bia eseso mutu ema bambo ekoso no omutu ane kwanso a ubi anso aye Ghana ni emra ne de obi ambroso se wa bam se wuni abam ombro emra no so inti security for no ye de ye be show mun kra se baby emra ne da no omfanto na Ghana so bi emra Ghana.
Well, Mame Brown ho, what here Evans Nimako on the other side, raising issues as Sutifi South, plus other areas I also West Wogona. What my dream mom to say NDC for and a moma basabasayo, and so I mentioned the issue of busing, modern comfort, a good bus in the about registration center, arbitrary mudi, so as to increase your numbers. Chibani.
No, CJ made that CP. CJ, I'm there quickly. Before I may continue, I'm correct the impression. Evans Nagasa or G2 Mokacho, the Ayawa Stu West Wogon, NDC now ye raised the MPP parliamentary candidate honor or a bus in Kofu or the one beefy voter, beefy Krobo, beefy other areas or the one banner Wababari, not the they be accused the warrior. Now, battling issues, I don't how I get because as we speak here, there is tension in the central region. The New York case, so there's an attempt to open the war basket for one corner. Ghana, Libya, and anything by we send Ghana, Libya, about presidential candidate. But it's quite worrying that you've been moving for 4 years on other areas that one over could decide who becomes a parliamentary candidate. Other man go for no about them go for no on then will move one up and about two about to be a winner as an MP. Then you know when go for we are now how that community develops, how our MP debate and how we relate with the people, Emma and Kodo. Another BBR them those people will not be there. Now, or they make sure they will do everything possible to resist that attempt. Any parliamentary candidate over here agenda will move in Krofona or the one. And currently, I will tell you on authority there from the central region where I've gone around immediately Nnawotwe, for instance, if she made him awake 8 police stations for one baddest other adjoining communities in our constituency one clear. There is a deliberate attempt there. You will move in where that could decide members of parliament for that man. Now, many Agari also talked about the people the NDC organizer now. I think the who station Yankata for the purpose of your discussion, I think at the Bakaya Unia Obi, only Collins Dauda, and only one parliamentary candidate, Honorable Collins, now parliamentary candidate, only one Jina and from him, only one doing command, Oban there, parliamentary candidate, no driver, or by police station, perspiration, and you know, in attempt to spray that will be in and attempt to spray the margin sitting MP no name order and a police funakata were rushing wasn't for you know I will be glad that you did the man about 2 weeks more than na ya shekwana ever solution to that because on ya papa na ya pede yen registration so or ye peaceful na many agari can be again
Evans ni mako enya gari ni mako
oh sorry
me Jimmy Niabao
Nimaku can't be or even face mask or I agree, sir, or the face mask, but I am in a central guy. Let me, Evans, let me be specific here. There are people them nose masks now, they don't have it and they find it difficult to even buy one. I have given a lot of nose masks out to areas that Marco there. And genuinely, when you be a overshare and one year. That is why all these issues in your reside in this time, are a woman, thank all the year. On your baby, I look, there are some communities I forgot, they don't have it and they can't even afford it. You got my baby brand or you're doing other man. That's the more reason why I locked down a by brand. As a man, no, you decided that all the HPP, they might be banned. Why? We knew that people could eat. But we also know that there are a lot of people when they anti-ban another one that is why we decided it's in Nanka. Difficult times here, you woman Nanka easy. Only there, you have a Korea, or money, Triska, the other man would be them. Nanka, who been here there. Sabi, young company in Akrana, DJ Naivans, now one would say. Nanka, this is the one you may have in the preparation view. So you would impact of people won't need them now. Able to me, I am boa as a man. Na ya boa through the east. No, ama yan so ya boa ma ya be bi over them ya be na wa ba.
Okay.
You see, I talked about Portugal military presence. DJ, military presence na ya can. Say assembly wo ho na ya pre the basa ye alcohol. Example. Today, Eba, which is in them, one kasa akan. A great Lantern Mills polling station. MCA Oko with the MP, Honorable our country. The moment
Chief,
hello.
Yeah, Chief,
hello.
General Secretary, Ora Johnson, I see you didn't get here, Abeka Mesa so. My member na kwaba, na wanusia, makonho, General Sotaminka, Nemo kwaba.
Yeah, mo. Yeah, mo.
Aha. Jena bajo sa pombo ko de.
Ma pomu ye.
Ya de nyame ase. Me ne wo deputy national organizer Chief Bini na edi nkomo but wase wa ba so yi de ono de nanu besi ho na fe me ne wo ato so general yenim se wa ba pro kakra from mantemu. Hefa na wako na abato di ntwere no ekosen general.
Yo, me that say Ibedru no maba the southern part of Volta region, but it is K2 South and Town and Akachi South, Akachi North, and other clue and those places. Makobe is close to 10 constituencies. I was so and this is Yameno Kasem and I'm quite sure may call soro ho ne pando ne omo ekeka ho no.
Okay, but so far ni ade wani ehu no di ntwere no etesan.
Well, bibia ni ho a de betoto ho. Because all the total electoral commission for ankasa plan ya wo mo aya. Say the cost no ye a little bit different from our plan, but ja omai mu wo measure wo home by any standard. And until the me who no but say what the total pioneer for trading in the past year. Now process no ye faster than the air cost. And until no complaints ye wo bibri no a slow process. And if you say ebinom wo ha ombekwasi e trading ebi anipa $100 and a bit much out of base 200 300 ya oma bebun kam so ho and until ubewie no na omo anya kwa ntwe omudin asan ma omo no message say ochanopa momra enti there are places ya yeko ya na ebi aba first day a omo anya mo ya ma omo numbers by the close of the second day na ye ntwere omo kura nwie meanwhile new people so omo aba so abebodom pem ewo ho enti na mi bisa registration form say ya na continue there then how are we going to be sure say nipa omo constitutional rights say etwere omo din na omo to aba na the say omo ye ne say omo to anamon eko registration center omo aveli omo ho ti say the Supreme Court to aka no na electoral commission na entimi ntwere din no so ebasa when na say obey brand no enunti a whole slow process no ho na afi so ade ba ko a ha dwen minim say whether it is nationwide also one more movement plan say ye be we phase 1 ye drew ha ye be no say ye drew ha ye be no say based upon that political parties so at least NDC yeah announcement alert nipa no say date we na nkofo no bedru ha enti onya mo preparation date we na nkofo no bedru ha na says ya wo ha ya say change plan no kra anti obi a yede na shebe say August ho no Monday or Tuesday ya yede ko ho enti akwa say Jack, where are you? You don't have any plan ye follow. Enti ISS nipa no ne ache date ye dada omo. Because o ka say omo nkoye we na nipa no ye preparation based on o plan no a. Bedru ho no what an shift. But be our shift say obekọ no. E ho so of so nya ya we kura nya preparation say ho na wo ko. Enu nti enu num nyina the challenges.
Okay.
Ba.
Okay.
And mfidie no, because woman ankasa according to woman contract, woman edi introductory or my Ghana say woman mfidie be ready by ama woman start registration by April 18th. But be way we are in July. Mfidie nye ready. And I say mo de mfidie no proportion bi na maka wi nti ese mo chiche na mo ye. That is the cause of all this challenge. And no a major challenge. Now, okay. As usual, I wouldn't border challenges here. A war regime. I buy no some person obey open about the intention. The security, I do more about begu.
General, I don't
know feeling intimidated. Now, besides, almost I see COVID. Meanwhile, near my you on the ground, Hano. Far from the government here, Sumuno.
Okay. So it's just General Bacho Mebao.
Assumption, no.
General Bacho Temenka.
Metewonka.
Okay. Yeah, answer ni beba border issues. Any asrafo ide o magu ya share so no. That potential rigging machinery. Muru ezi hu red flags. Say abaya oteso no body trimupo. Say obewia abaya ba beto no. 6 days into the voter registration. Unta sa machinery no adwuma. ana so bibia de na kwan so
general eno na eya adwuma eno ho asem na make kire we
I see
eno na eya adwuma it's fully on course every bit of it is on course because adentina ubeka kire Ghana for say why ready with equipment ye can be bibia court to asem nya de munye ready equipment ikura covid nya manema nti equipment ntimi meduru makodi ntura kire Ghana for nyina say mo equipment ya beduru afeyan ko sha de na se a fraction of equipment na wo so you are one thing ebetimi arrogant say partners nu nyina stakeholders nu nyina no we are not having equal information. If one party cannot prepare, whilst another party has information, these are the elements of rigging. And I face so intimidation now, also under the guise of COVID, you know. And also, you're one of the elements of rigging. So elections are not rigged on the voting day. There were preparation stage, pre-voting stage, and there were during the election itself and after election. All these three phases in Yano, they are never obetimi a compromising election no in favor of one party or the other. And so pre-election phase, you know, even this registration here, the manner the registration is being approached, you know. It's a rigging machinery that is on course.
Now, but General, have you reported to the security agencies? Say, when your report be say, what be say ya, my report, so that the people involved.
It's the security agencies that are creating the problem. Now, I report to my.
I see.
Let me tell you one incident here, just to prove, say, a bank say, a COVID inti na soldier for any pretty for buyer. Now, Obwa. Look, you call one registration center, Avedapa. You could do the whole place was abandoned. Amania incident here, I see her. Nipa bia be register. Awie. Nipa womo face MPP for a challenge womo. Ena yama omo date ya, wombe ba be meeting review committee. Ena omo ko womo village say there. Dafe police for achi womo aguka mu de womo aba registration center ho abebro womo in the presence of nipa register ama ehu ni ade obia jane ya abandon registration center no enunti I followed up echo this is police commander ho say masa na dey na esi wo ha na say ni ate what do you know about it? Also, onu na oni ho na boy a owo duty no asem o ka che no say immigration for chi Togolese for and e dey wo mo e ma e hand over ma police for enunti na wo mo motorcycle and na wo mo police for na seize motorcycles no and na you know pending further investigations na the nam say na nipa no or idea where they are, and I'm myself, one more here. One to me answer. And you call to the registration center. Luckily for us, police need no obey. You know, you go here, one more patrol car, and I stop home. And I mean, Bissan say, when you throw as much you are saying, and I'm saying, dear Ben, Wababe and Wo, a Amaya abandoned registration center. Or the immigration for a handy nipa be my say, you Togolese for. And I'm so okay, so what did you do? Say COVID. And Togolese for a breach immigration a year. What did you do?
General, but me more to us. What's a polling station there? I want to note it down.
Give me a minute. I will Avedapa EP primary school polling station. I've got you the particulars. And I feel so police for no district commander Dean we police in Ankasa Dean Kwabena Banka, or I'll get you the correct name. I don't think me, yeah. District Commander and your friend, DSP Atibu. Albert Atibu, or no, Namiko Bisano. Until no, no, say, one charge you or because why Tibinuma charge you or Marco, who district court, up at high court, ama ya jawomo. And until say, why not say, Wamuchini Panoa, they Wamo have deliver more punishment. And I'm saying, now there is rule of law. Say, court to a court transfer, who say, and someone mucha stone obiso, and ya no correct, na ya jano no. Into why you say, Ubi for Frobia or Betinubiano, Momo bed dispensing instant justice under what law? What he meant today. And you call around, I police in so Lance Copra, Quabna Banka. Or not so Yaneno, Mekobisano. Now, he was denying, say, or the Wamuba police registration center also are more. Eyewitnesses here, what she and Obua. Now, Wamuba say, after say, Wabu, Mama, a be a near a cha, a prepra or mono. What time of Mabun Kotojo registration center, ho? You know, and until media china, maybe Sano say, Master. And then now, yes, I was in the superior boss, Nekato, and yes, sir. And I'm saying superior boss, Yakobi Sam. And someone who can cry, different from Woody. Superior boss, no say, yes, easy or motor bicycles. What's all say, I say, woman from. So if anybody is talking about motor bicycles, they could not be referring to these people. And I'm saying, Tiwa here or Ghana. Or say, I send deport to Omo. And I'm saying, and we are police in no be a breach security, immigration force or breach security. Near handy over Amawa, near police station, and the Omoko culture or Manu and Semna, fire of a fast process to Omo. Now, what's what Omo say? What the Omoaba registration center? Abba Bru Omo, Nipa H. and Woman Krata, Womo Diama Omo say, ya challenge you Omo.
Okay.
Is that the way to check COVID? And I'm Mr. Tracy, Mikokonya, Sa, Nipami and Sano, our hospital, our Vedapaho. TV for near if we interview or more, one pictures, no more in our. And he said, I buy me can't say COVID didn't and why military deployment. This is a classic example exposed to because border ho nyahon ye trading and now what akochi obi wo ho say ya chino on COVID ya and your COVID system na dey no from the immigration no appreciate what does it have to do with election say wouldn't nipa no ba registration center abebo no nipa na ni mo ho
but general
nipa na jana free ho ya go to omo hospital press for agi wo mo anu asem
general
yes.
General Bacho, my member Mukakra still on the potential rigging machinery. Oh, what do you know to say? MPP are buying and are buying Otisono, what activity and no, and an area Juma CCA. Reporter in Sakai, Batomeba, and it's 3 branch executives of the NDC. Our Asawase constituency approach Fonsa Kaoma, one more Ekuta registration forms. Say, one more our approach for NSM. Can we then conclude, say? Then NDC form also some activity more on rigging machinery, General.
Opening Nipa or no police in here or no coaching or no effort. That is the point I'm making. Police for no activity said the Omuya polling agent.
No,
Yeniana Omuchis of Obidiwi, she said, you're coaching no one. Don't you know why we are complaining about the police?
General, conclude say forms so no it's likely say bia police for na dey question executives no ho
beside me say police need be say watching the power asawati no and no evidence of rigging of NDC in the whole country. What are you talking about? We are talking say police for now demonstrating clearly say at least official Adom there they have a position to follow. That is why Argentina, I was so well. Reports are what to say at Chiobi. nipa ono pre-peace no national chairman nyo no na court no enye ga na police for ya enye bi na make say yakwa akwachi nipa na setia they say wakwachi obi edina ba registration center when the registration has nothing to do with the arrest.
Okay. General,
we are saying say abaino say niema opeso oye no yanwe here ebe compromise your democracy no. This is the theme we have been repeating and repeating and repeating because democracy be working with checks and balances institutions here na juma. It is a democracy wo now gradually the conduct of peace officers come into question. Then we are in trouble. That can only lead to instant justice.
Okay. General.
And now when there is a democracy, the judicial system, no, among four feelings and deliver in an impartial manner. That is a recipe for disaster.
Okay.
The democracy war, not the way parliament is being organized. And also, a year. And also, so when you take all these things away, what will be left of the democracy you claim you are protecting?
General, me pacho, General Soma Sima, me wo arrive ni mako. I director of elections for the MPP. Ewo ahomano so. Ma menje quick reaction. Free no honor.
Me pacho me nam kwan so na ma stop around between Hone Afajato Hills the Honti. Me nya bre nyina enti se wo be wie interview.
Okay, me pacho ma me no wie. Ma me no wie.
I'm busy working na me so me nka.
General ma me no wie.
Ma for now pay interview among directors of elections ya friend NDC director of elections.
General
your friend Elvis Free Anka.
General Mosquito me pacho adarama me no be wie. Timo anunsi na me no wie a wato akwantuo no so adarama General.
That's why we are questions here.
General, maybe I want to know. Election is about numbers. Until with the clear case, Asawasi, it means that you are also planning to beef up your numbers. So
me pacho. You are being too simplistic about election. We are talking about institutional arrangement. And the Asawasi no ya jeji di obiatum. Why are you basing your arguments on allegations?
But General, also
work Asawasi yourself.
General, also so now voter region.
There may many who Asawasi no Asamu who can a eyewitness account to an original.
General, who the now voter region eyewitness account.
Mabisa way, Macha way photo, Matia way no. I'm talking to you what I have seen. Uti studio hono na uti Asawasi ho.
General Johnson I said unketia me no say.
Are you talking about your eyewitness account to announce judgment ya every baby aba na o kan answer obi allegation na o kan ho.
Well General, I'm talking to you based on reports, media reports yankasa your reports on the ground. Your reporters from the ground.
And I make a one sem. It is a open verification. Go and verify before you misinform the public.
General, me now say offense here. Eche be din komo bio. Me da say. Ora Johnson say edun ketia e church for penny e de ma NDC ama yokuo no. Evans, mbacho otemenka.
CJ Metonka.
Good. I want reactions to near Ora Johnson say edun ketia waka near okohunu e wo voter region. Ave Dakpa EP polling station. Any issues are on him no. MPP mo election rigging machinery no eno na maspa cases so a adwuma no Evans.
Oh CJ mame na wase na unim say New Patriotic Party ene Ghana nyina ye ware home because ye penyin pa ye pen asem odo party odo Ghana ye dono owura Kwadwo Usu Free wadani nani ahweban nti ye ware home sa re ho no enkenya sa nkameka se de owura sidu enkete eken are ho papa na obaba be kansem na twe na ye interrogate ya oze utu kwa na wagina nti ompese ye no bekasa. That's not the way to go. no credit CJ opa na oka ora na nsem no ka odisia no de sia on ka no pre ono say electoral commission en ka no pre ono no on ka no pre o wa Supreme Court ama judgment who free Supreme Court onye lawyer you pay by the year press conference my interpretation there be a niema no ye no opeso dane niema ni that's not the way to go. CJ registration start here and any day fit Ghana ha ohwe the previous electoral history constituency nipa do pa tromudin pa K2 South. The previous electoral results no K2 South 149,221 and no the edi ho biem domeko abenya 44,624 na CJ me family registration ekoso yiso efiti day 1 ABC day 4 K2 South use 26 registration centers nipa 12,316 and I register K2 South 4 days agota me gidi se utie me pa nipa 12,316 I register K2 South use 26 registration centers oba domeko abenya the second highest electoral voters no use 25 registration centers register 11,795 K2 South the first day a year registration EP primary school K2 South K2 North nipa 212 day 1 into CJ if there's any arrangement say MPP and your person ye chinchim yisinsa na NDC for stronghold amount for entry register figure see na betumi a check it me give this NDC for no omo agent for baby bia registration exercise e cost no ye agent or they can say they end am na kwam no and say obi apne into say police for year adwuma security for year adwuma no there ye ntumi stop you na no credit necessary ye hwe ne ka efa sa eifo a security a omwo border so a COVID-19 management on sensem enye voter region pe ana security am ye nya nte ye se omode omakobu a omo hwe said the amount for entumi emma ye ka say what to say please action crofo ewo akan constituency a omo free Togo person ba be register na eno no esase e ma ho kwan asa na ntinye se oresi edun kese o ka avada gba asemi pray police station ho ono de obodin o se no de agidi na wo no o site de say ebiesi ewo asawase de on person obeka ho asem menyini say that's the way to go the mechanic say so far registration exercise starting ekoyie mentimi ho ase ba ku mienu bi asim no ye ma security ho kwan na onye adwuma me gidi se enon pa na ebeboa CJ memo aka bi number na yahwe card number JR 260712 yes maame Hanabisiu ene ne nkrofo de use sa aka no Busatano South so wo reporter mani Musa e Tano South se sa aka no police achiwo ana police enchiwo no mo chi omo so no niema ben de wo kan no me gidi se no credit ye ka ebeboa yi nyina na adwuma na yisi ye no ye so new patriotic party ye de se bibi nam na kwama ye be raise na emom ni nyina pharmacy no security na ebo ye ho ban inti Ghana Police Service any all other security agencies omo ka ho no omo moa na obi bia na niema na enam na kwamu no omo fa na famra kwa so
me ko chief ban ho chief etemenka
DJ metunka na general of the nsem aba nsem hu hia de yebedechi DJ mi hu ne orkasa na etro Jimmy Gidi de police for abubo won din na district awaka I'm sure that I want to nsem tro ko bedechi na yakwa ko hu de
yes
sebia mrana ye juma na obi mfa ne mmra no nhye no kotokum another police ni bia another brambo ni open a bambo ni bia no onye na adwende obeye adwuma as a polling agent kasa gari kasa beka de ma general yen rival
Chief Evans Nemako
kasa Evans kasa o de ma general wa ni BBS the response are other my or indicate clear there if your polling stations na figures are obobo na tell the registration na warrior no abani or insisted on the registration because or the who deny one now what to about what my head fair not some more can that is the understanding of get figures are events who abobo do na no them figures in na of the polling station wo agent or aban one two was shine na kan there oya busum David MPP agent went to one call no one call nine. And it is in the obubo the figures in Norcade, them figures ninety and NDC in the Sebi in a war rigging machine of fine. Them Kassan with all due respect, I mean I will say Funa one Kasa who you are already the bearing of it in general city Sebi reference ordered by the Yanshe Tano South, Nakabi, or Hona, watching now. Why, this is an issue. You have a general secretary of a party, also will be a Mawe or Orica. And to Mawe or Honorican, near Bettina to put near Hepana Yabafano. Now, yes, to Damadana, done there. Obat Nabi Mawe no Kado, oh, as some of Papanican with that. Meanwhile, Papa Sukasi, Wabu Bodi, in a white show, baby man, the man or Kodo. The Mukasi, no, the teacher next to Mupa, why didn't buy all day? I didn't inquire in Munocrano. I don't work with police Funa, another bamboo Funa work and want them. And you see, TJ, if Shenkoma ye D from Ashasi, the Electoral Commission in Sama or catch your hand over you our own. If a video, sir, one can say a general interview, I make sure through the Komoya Yita mission. Brother, one can say who clearly the Yimpa Waba Pido, Wabano, and she say na ye can they order what to do. Then I raise issues here, and I'm the young Comodin, you go to all, but what can young Kanam Yega even now into get the issue? Do you know that as a fact there? The IPCO registration centers now, you have people over to one register, sometimes 100, a little bit 100 and over. Maybe class over home was over close to 200. But 200 now actually not it. And go far back too much to the extent that Electoral Commission no happen. And that time I wasn't mad all the open was. And you want to control them go with you. Now I'm on number. The next day them go from Babado barbecue with you. Oba onam the one working muda than to the wash on now we are other kakra then you still have to get the numbers for another day. Them questions if you said it. Say them a Supreme Court all kind of order ubia over bill no a gun. Yaman kwan no true ni here. Them grofuna war banner over true onam in Electoral Commission and machines sometimes delays na that will committee. Watch them you don't want too much. Not 6 days now. Another the days I was on my particular place now. That's the way we know. Now Ghana Fubino on them damage waiting into my for how do you answer that? And
okay.
How can you then deny from people because one on your one them or you won't finish sharing our back?
Okay.
The issue in them are all called and to trust them are all across that. And attempt Gofupede, what bombarding what true, dear. In one yenya damn issues for it did that say because the report I want one side. Other than it clear. Emma Yena who there. Hello?
Yeah, Chief Mitonka, for Anusimam.
Other than clear. Emma Yena ye ditum there. Oh yeah, baby no either there. PC our horn. Oh yeah, sitting here NDC not beaten by the support of the fact that either DC another MMDC is a war one and I will support account reporter abodi na I don't see maybe to my bona kind of when would the NDC for while passing crofo and I was in for maybe now I got the general kade rigging machine on your event or your process. Now if already know you have the ruling party director of election position in the polling stations there what to about electoral commission rep wo and one agent wo admit the vote or who na wa sign my that declare president Akufo-Addo areas and figures no they are in doubt.
Okay. Chief Atimanka.
Then it becomes clear there and she said mama demand is here for everything. Then it becomes clear there or confirm or that man and pay the processing now no year because and contribute to Obama and this and one you did them figures or your real and it will be very sad if that is their position.
Okay. Chief, Madam say, but when you do the security issues, Yambra Studio, now say security analyst wa hey, yanene mra mehwe soboa and this for model bar buying any security agencies, juma wa mo ye the intro Ebrahim, ma yanko deep into the security issues. So rapport boating, ora boating. Me who say what church never be brave. Answer na electoral commission never be too sound na mo say obe trading. Security analysis bang and I say what year assessment man and no any other security agencies no I say ko mo kambo mu nanka wo mo ye nanka eyi sa menti me ho ase ye bomma ye the soldier for akogu border so any ade sa na ma we nyina nanka eyi free ho nanka obi adwene mu and fine Robert
yo ne tie ni say memen obi ante ase me nye adwuma o yi si na me nkasa mo so we ye madwen a kire wo bambon
absolutely
obeye dwuma bia ti sei na oto obo asese na wo hwe obstacles a obetimi ahia in security contest no obstacle bia na ye no say a threat because emma ne opesa wo achieve no goals a opesa wo achieve gundru ho enti no consider as a threat enti no banesa obehwe eniema odi begu akwan mu a ne wasa wutimi prevent no ana obe avoid no wodi egugu akwan mu na edru ba bia wuntimi enka se niema ni nyina wobetimi asi anokwan enti no ebedru ba bi no na o measures a de begu kwan mu se bia wobetimi ne pese esie no wotwe san wuntimi nya enti no ebedru level bia ba ubabo modern se wobe manage
okay
eba ne sa de ane eno ne aya ta friend say acceptable risk
6 days into registration is say you do here management money away
you will say ne you ka say you manage
okay
na wo manage ano no wa kire say wa accept say risk ni bi oho no mo de a wa giatum na enti na kwan a be fa so nyina ne say wo be put in measures a wo be reduce impact no say ne be ya risk no ana say harm bi e be cause no enye severe enye fatal ho no mo na say ne because wo hwe ne e kona ye nyina ya tiase wo hwe process no se ne ekona ye fa covid-19 kula na e kire se ye nyina ya accept se abani ya betena enti kwan be ne ye fa so se ne enka obia na dwumadie no so no kwan bia se wo se ye aya UN forward terms bia ya omkeka se wo makoba bia amfa se environment bia ntokwa ne ade so no wo mo de ne se wo mo no policy ne se principle no se how to stay enye when to leave what you say in this case no easy no aye na adwen say ekwan bi e be fa so a obeye me yetimi ato aba and it is very important there be am kan me say ya anto aba o Ghana military will take over me feel say bi adawfo e betimi a kirechi enti no kwan bi aso no e wo say yetimi di mla no so na nhyehyeye no ye den ekoso na yetimi ye den eto aba no but senior ekoi we be kan say ndi me sure say easy for no omo bi an your advice on this particular issue say be security implications no ya dey and obetimi catch on say we ye den ubenya manyuku bi oba catch on say wo berege because end dey bia omote efe nso no sane nipa bopi so na ebi no mo pockets of violence across baby omo ye registration districts constituencies no ya dey no saa nneɛma no deɛ woyɛ den ebi besi entokwa besi enti na ɛtɔ da bi kura na woyɛ assessment na wobɛtumi akasa yisi na nkasa no ɔno ankasa no obroni bɛka so desirable anase iconic target various crimes ebetumi akoso yisi na nkasa this period up to be a time ebeto aba na
na se beto ase ya na say yisi aso ye kese ye won kran ha ene na so ye nkan ya
wo ba obetumi ahia obi kura betumi akoso office
betumi abo ma dwunim akosa akoye basabasa ye wo adwumanfo wo ho betumi e pra binum ne ade
obi kura ho no man ntina me use words iconic obi wo pese wo yese me no makose yi si office
magidin
entini saa ne mani nyina betimi asi afiri saa bre ya kopem tama ye beto aba even immediately after the results no kura bibi saa no be de ebetimi asisi enti wo ye bi a threat analysis ne ade na wo consider saa factors ni nyina na wo mu se eba no se ya sen na wo beye no wo se wo hwe sane ekona dodo na e complain efa security for enya me maka say aban no enhye mu kina beef up security for various places especially hotspots no
okay
if you say if it tama ye shas ye se ye to aba no me nu nyina na wokurum ha ya tete nsem bebre titru ye ndc for omo so omo mpene enye omo nkwa ekueku bebre so mpene aban no so obe enti twema mentwe ayeden aba na eba ne saa na mu ye dede na mu kase ni nyina no ebedru level bi na ebeye tension bedru level bi a yete say we de ayihu ebi kura na NDC ana wo mo kaseti a ne omno mbeba bedi boni no obi betimi afiri baabi da bi am kam se Ghana ye democracy na ye finsi ye enjoy nye aman na atwe hu ahia wo West Africa nyina na pe asem e ka obi nko ane nyina ya bo pepepe enti ye mfa ho se obi nipa boni yefu obi ana ye nim extremist ni omo ye jihadisi na sen Africa ye hu ni ompo obi betimi abehye obi putupa amu abedi boni ekura dia hye wo omo kase wo omo mpena abato won hyehyeye no ma ya kaka se bia oma emfa ho kura se obi nso wo Ghana ha om betimi afa kwan miasa nyina so se election na national registration exercise na ye den ye mpene ye den emane nkoso eno nso betimi aba ebetimi aba se ebi kura nso a ebi kura wo mo aban mu kura nso betimi akoye hyehyeye bi edimi akoye bi boni bi ama ye bakase ebi kura NDC fo na omo akope omo ho asem aka se bi a boni besi ntin ye de ahye enti na wo ya ban na wote so ana se wo ye security capo a enhyehyeye bia de beto akwan wo de begugu akwan mu a wo be prevent sansensem na ebesie no wo sa wo ye emfa ho ni obi beka se wo di nipa no be 100 na beko polling station ba akubi se ne be ya saa ohaw ne atete ne eyi no entimi ma wo sa wo ye eni kwan se wo di ago enti no mini obi bia o kan se security for intimidate obi no enya adwen ne wase ye nyina yete ase se bambo nhyehyeye ne nkoho eni ho no ma abato entimi nkoso da ema ne nyi na aya na ayereho amanyofo ni mienu titiri wo position a ayete se woni bambofo no eni hweye ye kasetia on bebre oba power na afede woni bambofo no aye mfanse d'accord na kire se bambofo no yomu ye bia na emmoa man hyehyeye emmoa bambo hyehyeye eba ne sa unnu bambofo no bebre a ebu wo mabam efise wo hwe ye constitution na I say politicians ni na control bafo no wo hwe media me fa police fo kra wo hwe article 202 ho no ma wo hwe police council ekwan a tumi e de ama wo ma I say IGP kra no om no mo kire ne sani onye na enti no emma bambofo no nyuma potien waso wo mo ye no wo mu ntimi sani wo mo keken ye bambo ni a wo no wo ho no no obesuro se obi a wo power no ne party wo power no obeche no so what I say because we nim be a party chairman but about just 1 minute the same thing now we dream say or kwachi opposition so a bia no ochina wa ba power no no kure bia ye be akotran so intire ma bambo nhyehyeye no amanyofo no yunu no sa emwa but see ye be ye na bambo nhyehyeye na koso me yetimi aye registration dia bambo no mienu nyina omu nyina ntum na obi bia nyintum say bambo nhyehyeye no enye bambofo nkwa ye nyina ya sede ye nimla so ne ntimi nya ne etre ne yento aba no
Robert, member ho na meba ye be call into detail the security risk management any assessment ahodo a just say ye moving forward. You say as you say ye drew management then say yeah but me pen for more zoom no so the ABC abadansa na no Evans ni mako ma membra ho na fei wasem a etwa to the issues are na pay asotwe ho nkomo especially moving into the next phase of registration. Evans na fei minko chief so ho
yo agonda Metro say obekai mi din no Evans ni mako ora guy ni mako de oye yenu apenyi oboy pa me say one no niema bebreye awa no pay no wetweti nti me show line of na mi ho yenu aba no hwemi ye na CJ
let's deal with the issues and stop this mischief.
I go down me bufu ye but me pese
when abane oko she safe dawo kasa
sta ni face mask no there be go na o chiche mama for ye dia
oh watch you know
CJ
yeah Evans
anope ye das be best ready say ye nyina ye moa na ehihye ya electoral commission bi egu akom etwotwo din enkoyi ehun behia say obi bia emrekwam oye Ghana ni a 18 years we di pro so na adwum da ho no onya kwanya na ontro ni din yi see the movement plan aba wa my date kayebeko the second phase but also batch 1 of the phase 1 no eno no be no after ochina ana yes phase 1 ebe end yinim se esese obi bia otro ni din no onya akwanya etro ni din na emum no chief yenyina yemwa ne yenkasa nche ye chitafo ehun hia se ombekọ akọbọ aptai so ewo registration center so na maybe we check me kakra ne se Ghana for any gise ombetro mudin na se dache abato breast dua omanya kwanya akoto aba mananado danko akufuado eni owura Mahamudu Baumia if say omo se abanpapa ni enti omo ntena ekire na ebinom sem na omudi kanka say registration okra hu hia covid na be na manfo ebefrim said the Dr. Paul Boatenka you and Eka said we need to learn how to stay and work together na situation as covid aba the doctor say kano yen hwani yen fanye adwuma say yen share nose mask the abandi abane say eyemra say obia no obe observe protocols no ehun hia say yebema security services ayom adwuma omo no munim baby hotspot any baby say the doctor ken omama ho ahi Ghana ni ebo edin ye democracy tumpo eye binom ya intinanse yatia ye former president Ora Jerry Don Rollins o si yen kamom ni yen fight terrorists if the yetna wodin sa MY ebia information security nim ayen nim no enu bi na omodin krofo akogina ye border so a enhwe se amamboyefo ebetumi ewrem ye man sa no enye adwuma ne emoa omo adwuma bebromo ye tipofo nti yanso ye nim bibia ni abo security amane no so ahwe na ode aye adwuma efa ye party for ene Ghana fo nyina de yesre obi ahwe na mfa PP ewo COVID-19 protocols on sensemi onfa nya adwuma said de be ya onkoma onyonko yare ye be sasre abambofo adwuma na omudi ne ehuhia pa inti ye new patriotic party ye kase support BSS aban no de ma security services no omo fama na Chibani beka ora esiedun ketia beka Ivan beka semra ne ye adwuma de beka ni nyina na eye ba bi emra ne da ana ye de eye adwuma me gidi ye ne say ya Ghana ye betena asomdwem
okay
na ye tumpo
okay. But I say Evans Nimako, Director of Elections for the New Patriotic Party. Evans, yeah, that's a pa na premra. Wajeni atuchun komo. Chief.
Yo, DJ. Mete who expert of Bambo. I must say that Mras so there is in but issues areas offer about ownership and about offered. I represent the political party that is in Aginaba. and now may expect the over address. Unfortunately, one address the issues. As to Nankasa before Bakasa no Okada Mama Obian see the Okata or the Maki because this issues you already Nankaria Wahe Nanka who been here the answer over do or never or God or no my hands to your wife. To me, I check. Conquer party, I would say a whole political party, low interest. And them all cordon once who issues are we raise that in their various areas. Yeah, but to them now. And you expect sort of them now. What head and can be able to ye now, Copusu would the old, them all cordon, or Yaza, now, only another only the bamboo for me. Me pede or can't be. Now, me pede, openye ohuda ono no ye bambo odi bambo ma nhihye bia nyi ho a o electoral commission ni dwumadi ma o kire de o ye ne nhihye na na de o ye ne abato sentama bambo fa odo ni o ye no ko o ya tra electoral commission onye ndenye da odika na wo ye dwuma wo komai na ebi se ni ma dwene so a enkampempe na ye bibo Zemem ogo ustane yenyi normal times the one that can go for fatwa and what normally ne onye dam na oti na debia na electoral commission no do man onye aposifo na woye hye metimo be ya obi famrani shebitema wetum waye de watan na wotdemati so nda menyo kati abano ama yehu de onam de covid a o border or there was a staff who was upon our home. When you can see a staff on your COVID now over that because they are central region, for instance, who bought the Viera forest over. And so almost everywhere but a staff are what we want our warriors. A staff who also work by station no makes me want to share one accoutrement that work or war. The track attack is a wookie that or or intimidating. This is okay there. Oh, no, you need that. Who you more you intimidate to be it's no energy, but that's not the situation. But when people see them with the way I walk partner want to share now, one year machine will be said about them the way. Send a war Hana Katan Crown won't Morocco. Now, equal areas beat them a general secretary of Kano. Now, Ubi Crown the suspect the new panel or Bana opportunities for a whole. Now, you in 2 years, find change will be around. Emma one hour one crowd who the I'm Imperial and Hoho no them to me and I watch more than I could Shabana catch. And she said, Obisu ye, Hoho no ye, and what the man, a penny bit, I will be clear about one show. Nemo with no explanation. Na yechi, Nimpano, then Nimpano, Yabaka and Oya Hoho, ya, you know, court, court, with Jack, and people, soldier for an political would deal with Nimpano right there. Now, I brought no one who would them or Kana. That means the man who could be a banana republic.
Okay.
That means the man on Oyada Oboboa and Bambo Yivian or do condemn the mothers. Now, yet I say the Morocco Dunia. No, then she Okodo in my ye or 2 years.
Okay.
Abana Crofu, our register. May catch him in your Imacode. Senagri and then another dance was Kufa to Nabao and world truth. Ibiana or Dadano. Nemo Ghana who would be there. Situation a woman, what Tibiano or the work wasn't, and was worship one, and was the true was it. Them, I hope can wait now was the control. Or ya banna banna ya to a money the phone nation is an already. Also by her, I hope can go from warrior. Now I shall now over protect your lives. By this, the Obama one, people is living at the mark of why? Yeah, COVID debate, you who abandoned being far, watch a nose mask at the water. It is a Adom Pepperuna Ghana food or to Woody, so what to coin, so what to coin. Now, abandoning Ogden Ghana for one of the what snatcher, now what to Wonya wants in a water to I think there or there, or yes, share over here, Panobu to my father.
All right.
Just the first. Second year, but
right.
We cannot just be talking. They are second and third, Nana and risking their life. Abandoning paying for one to be Woska. I will go to whether to one PP, whether to one sanitizer, whether for one ban of credit. CJ did there. Painful.
All right. Maminda must say, Chief Barney, Deputy.
Aspiti.
Chief Barney, Deputy National Organizer of the NDC, Chief Ebekaya, who was Zoom, so that Ora Evans, Nemako, Director of Elections for the MPP. Before me, I say, on a Pemra, Maje, and Acheche, and Komo. Me Chadum Sima, Emra, Meba, Nafia, Kamini, Rap, or Batin studio Hanafe, Yadres to call security risk management. The bedroom was to call Nafe Yashe, Edia Toto, then assessor from previous registration exercises, and then the CIA wing. Approach for you one more Elcrum, before fraud, say MCC, then as I say, then a security agency, so say one more a year, and a talk commission, so a day, and as I say, oh yeah. Now, to you, my dear Sunni, we are live on Adom TV in Afe Asempa 94.7 FM. You try Wamba. Yama kwa babio na otwe dwumadie na yede ebre wo show time no akasima no beye aduonu nson na nondu no abona ise sorry so no ene mene rap oboaten or security analyst Africa Center for Security and Intelligence Studies na mene no wo studio ha omo mbe kan yen sa zoom no so de ene wo mo awie roboaten me mo akwa babio masem bisa mede be mawo eye Ghana ha enya na edi kan ya trading ni but kabia say the edi kan ya trading a yehu approach for a wo mo boban yehu approach for wo registration in police stations the edi kan eni from usu ahunumu there na akofa sa approach for e aba
CJ so ye nyina enim say ansa na isi ebenya konya ayesa medium friend strategic registration exercise ensemble place see dodo na fin say any kwan ase wo twro din no ebi say winim demonstrations akokọ so throughout the country ni ade no enti say wo na wutu easy for afa bambo nhyehyɛ ye ho a enya de abeka kire ne say sebe onfa bambo ni bi anko ekwan bia so no ubetu no for send him di kan ya no if say ensam kra ma ye no edru ba bia ye twro edin sei a ne amanyuko dodo ni bi na be ye no bi apese ne nko for to da bi kra na nipa na nkasa kokontokwa awo center ho no ma ya na police for bem enti no na ne ensam abobo akodru sabi enti no ubebo modin atu yisi for say onye dey onfa bambo for onye dey enko o maimu hands baby wo hono man ye friend no hotspots no wo ye den saa bia no ensam kakra be de ebetimi asi na se wantimi anfa bambofo anko mo ansa no a wanhwe ye kura no obi kohwere ne nkwa wo saa exercise ho enti na ye se ne medi kan ne fe se ni isi no se ne medi kan se na se wa ye che wo bi pese wo enam ne akokọ okoso no obi kura betimi aka se obeko akoye bi buboni etia ho omo enyumayefo operations omo crimes vote omo mbe register ni ade nyina omo nyina ehia bambo enti bambo nhyehyeye ne de eye na emom bambo fo no unse na ye nia chief bani
kase unse na already issue say police fo no kanya de foforo but soldier fo na say o maji aboso soldier fo na say omo boban no and he feels that it's too intimidating
me feel say ye tie intelligence on one minimum yeni
yes
medical can say Ghana no ye democracy no eye nkofo bi anibre aye ka o monko nanka ye asai ne nyina ya boro pepepe eniya bi o han bia mintimi nka ni sabre ya enti no edru bra aye wantwi abedi nkyro no ho a ebetimi ama enipa bi anya konya abe influence bi no mo no motimi adi bone no enya wadwen se wo ye no te se ne ubebu wani aguso Ghana na ite se yesu no yakọ se ye ma se minsi ansana ya be den ya be react on say ye nye proactive enti no sa ban taking measures say send your a bit deter call for because security when you talk about the D's who deter call for and only the first principle I was try to deter your enemy send your onya opportunity no there oma so enti no I was say with me ye bibi send your nipa na wa ye nadwen no so free outside so free ye mu ebonu hu say wo ma ye ready say unipa bia be ye wadwen say obeye bone no o no e de besie enti e no de ye na emom e was education kohonom eye major stakeholders no asede say we ye party ni e was so to me educate won call for say hu o ma koto aba anase kogina honom na register enye hu because o ye nipa bambofo no so bebre so honom kran so o mutumi educate o mo a o mo kasa omko dikiu no mu no ama omutimi etoa ekogina ho eye registration no ama ne ye fefefe enti no enye te say yes obi be feel say intimidation and but ne was say wo dey to insane so eye hin dodo sen you have about 33,000 polling what do you call it centers yes enti no ubetimi akasa intimidation kosu baabia na chese baabia ya baabia na hono menya adwen
yes no correct
medical akasa ye den a ba ko mienu miensa bi de besi ba sa no so nkyere se sa na enhyehyeye na dinchiro no kosu baabia enti mo mayen fancy
okay
na edru baabia Ghana ya manyosem no aya saa ne wo se eko efi se obia pese onya no nyonko na medical akasa election bia so ni wiase ye free and fair you buy a biblim no you buy a biblim hakra there no you buy biblim
hakra ne ayeto
enye election bi enye go election bi en hono
I see
wo ye dai ba ko mienu miensa ebesi enti no ade na selection ye free and fair ade na manyofo ni nyina no tembia no omo kem wo positioner no wo kem na wo ye se ya na kire se yese na utum se bi kura no no so abamu na the same thing no ye edimu awobi what you say na election there wo ye den ewiemu bebam na emu no oba ye ne ho wiemu obewiemu yie no ona ye odinkunim enti se wo bewiemu wo adwen so obewiemu no me so ma ye madwen se mi bewiemu enti se wo muso obi ba se obi akoba bia ono so be ye bio ba o meka se mi be ye wo de na obe de obeka because wo ka obenya sympathy abanfo be hu no mobo enti wo be hu dede bi ekoso no na eye normal eye saa na tie because election no wo ye den ewiemu no de obi a be pese obi wi anything that say no won say ye move ko cyber world ye nyina ye hu nyesi wo US so what you say yes Ghana high 2020 is going to play a key role election because eye adia on be transmit election afewi na maka say 33,000 say bia ye a high polling station ya to about ha CJ wanya 10 me benya 5 e bia me nua camera me nya 6 na se bedroom cry no wo 10 no akoye 9 a wo be ko ntokwa
na se medama bi wo ho ba bi
yes because transmission no e bi kura me person me chirem bebre no ma bon call phone but transmission and now within 42 seconds we timi chief 8 figures no enti si ya to aba ha no anya 10 e wo center ha na emu be ko yisi office won kan no na eye 9 a wo be ko ntokwa
meko
ade enti na we ko
eso ate na me nya wo police station no
no enya no na kwa Ghana he sida but ran ko ntokwa upa we popa ba Ghana since 92 upa ye popa ba hwe centers won no mo chiro no be bi o kro bedu na bia 4 5 na so ate but amanfo no hu ni immediately no makeka ho asem obi on no we say one party there ye but one no say polling centers ni nyina o tete 1 no nya 5 times 30,000 class on number 150,000 no dey go no basket enti wo mo amanyofo ni mienu omu nim saa na ema we nyina
I see
enti time bia no saa de no de wo ye de beba wo ye den last election no see ye nyina ye hu ne yisifo be kan ka so mo system na ye den
ya hake
enu nti na make actual say part of the risk assessment omu ye was go wo hwe niam Malaysia man no ma ye cyber space issue no ne ade nyina ewu enti no efiri na kopim December no sansensam kitenkete ni nyina no we beti but eye risk a eye den ya accept song enti ye be manage a was say your friend term ye some measures would be reduce the impact say enye kese enu na ye kind mitigation so enu na ye drusu enti kwan bi e be fa so masa de no engine semo so ho na enkoye dede ma enkoye te se ne amai bi so no aye no sabre na menu mienu nyina e wo se enye yi se nko na betimi aye enya ban ya ote so ena enye political parties aye ye nyina ya se especially media for e kwan ya mbe fa so on be educating kofo na o mate o ho ase se me ko DQ no mu akofto aba na emu me nkonko ye bone me nkofa the bone bi me say democracy no ni nyina ye nyina ya se de e wo se ye me feel say ye ne sa dede no ebesusu kakra wo ye den a dede de ebe bi be koso saa na emum se ne enye nsem no na me ka no se ne betimi reduce impact no me say ye democracy no enu na saabri e wo se ye hwe if say hon mum na wo se ye kan asampa
okay enti ye hwe before I be break no ka say be share the security risk management registration imu and then moving into election ankasa what clear them enim say why adwuma kama security risk management involves 4 key strategies: controlling, avoiding, transferring and accepting security risk. Yemfa to na fe man nchemu kakra
say assembly beba no e was so tena CSC so ho say we betimi asi
answer me ba trading
enti no dia na
say we betimi asi
enti dia na wo be ya wo betra wo modern say saa niema no emma sokora so ho enti niema anhyehyɛ ya de begusu a enti mi maso no ne prevention no what me reduce the likelihood no impact no so ho say ne be ya enti mi nsi na emom saa anhyehyɛ na omo ye no say ni ya bedru ne ye hu say ye den ya COVID-19 example na me ma say COVID-19 ye den ye ntimi ma COVID-19 ko ansa na ya abato nhyehyɛ no enti no ye be accept say ye risk ye acceptable to us enti na ya acceptable dia e kwan ye be fa so a ye be dey measures ye betimi dey reduce impact no eno na wo se ye enti no na omo de saa protocols no ye dey e ba ye say ne be ya be sanko for kra na enkoye bebre at least ba komienu miensa bi enu nti na omo de saa enhyehyɛ ni nyina ye de egu kwan enti ye no kan 2 ya ti dede se eko ebi kura timi ka se mi read article obi se itimi register bana ye ntwa no be ma so ho enti ni paka saa asem na e wo se hu se die etumi nti ni ode ka saa ebi timi gina se isintimi ntwro di ni da so ho enti nipa kasa na waso die tumi na wo hwe nipa na tumi be pa no ana se ni na gina bibi so ana ne nsekura bibi so enti e ba ne sa e wasa wo sese na afi nso hu se Africa ha kra no amanye atwa ya hu nso nyina ahia ye hwe ne ma e koso so ho enti no won take chances wo bebo modern se bambos enhyehyeye no wo ba yirim so ho se ne be ya onipa bi etimi akasa bato ne maso no se ne abaso no baso a ye bia ye nye ne se nyese no ekwan bia so no anye kora e bia na obi mpe se ne ye koso obi betimi abaya ye den ahye no etodo bi kura na se abanyo otiso so opposition ohun so aba we ye den amelusu a eti se ne ye kan baby se o mesa anwe gugari no ene na emuye nyina obese no enti na ba ne sa wo ya ban na so wo ye bamboni a won tena ho se sa ne mani nsi ansan no asesa truths abegu ho no mo se ommehwe emoba enti eno no ye preventive measures a if you say omde agu kon ma me de me support pa if you say me hu ne asisi na nsan ya akura ye nyina ya te ne asi Africa se ne me kan ye no enti eni kwan se ye den ye tena ho ma sa ne ma no ye den ekokoso ye borders nsamu ye nyina ya tete bebre sila no nkofo bewura mu
borders honda na ka me de wo eko should we be worried say ma yam hihye yan so the for mo ya share so through all round any voter region kwa because reports in Sakani say Ghana ya share so Cote d'Ivoire Burkina Faso Togo ni na no so the for no wo wo ho say yam hihye yan especially issues are omo raise say Ghana for akatogo say omo ba ebetro omo din Ghana for Cote d'Ivoire say omo ba betro omo din COVID-19 no wo ho ansana about to use so ewo ho no ma say nipa ba na one by exercise so wo etumi no should we be worried Mr. Barton
ejina eniema be mi no so me na me wo TV station back bi na me kana me ka say e wo say sa operation say no bambofo no
but me mo to so ama me mo but me announce me phone line 030221170124 030221170124 obet me afre na fe wo de wadwenche e de aba Mr. Barton ba to so man
and sane na me kana me ni opanyi ba ko me pese me bondi am se me ne kura ba ya argument kakra no pese wo kire se operations dia ye kwa ye mo amane to be hu ana sojafo na gu na kire se no and then say ni wiase na ko you operation a wo be kwa wonka ima wa example ba ko te say ni Canadian girls ye chi wo mo a wo kwa rescue wo mo so operation no won gbo amane o te ase ko wo gbo amane no amanfo wo pe hu se ebi kura news wo so ye ne ye ko wo be hu wo be ko no wo mu ni ho operations na ebi wo kra wo kwa sojafo na police fo na ye don ko ye nka nkyero e ho no ma muduru kwa so a ne aka kyerɛ mo se ye kwa ha ye kwa sometimes kra mo communication gadgets kra ye gege
but Roberting the issue is say
meba
from the minority no mo can say sojafo no enya boda so nko na mo now they are in town police station near the enemy ho no they are visible
argument ni sha see free border so
okay
anything na me build ayinaba
okay
yenti Americans
okay
enti no sa ayiwe no mimi ka say na kwan bia so no e wo say wo mu inform community no because dia e kwatena ho ache ana wo be fa ne say humanitarian operation enti no ye den ya nipa na ho enye operation bia wo enye o kofe na combat we bia wo kwa at is ehu enti wo bo nipa na mane a nipa ni nim say sojafo ye nanam border isu ha yi de me come afu mu a say enti no mo ha enti minsro if we cry district chief executive no ni team no na head of security with district ono so betimi catch assembly members no ma catch them for so sojafo be ba ha na say border no ko for cross ba ha enti no o mo be ba enti ye de on be boban e ba ne start manfo no tiase a e bi kra na terrain no sojafo ni nhye dani wo papa ba bia ba bi wo ho a kwan bia nko for fa okra o mutimi ye den e catch the bambofo say nko for fa
Robert ma men ko ma homa no so na me wi amasan so aba ho kofi wo kuma se kofi akwa aba Adom ya ho ya kofi entie o
yo ma memfa akwanya wo nchia Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba bi obi ama menchia na menchia onabo Samuel Sapon o kuma se ons ma menchia no menia enkomo a modi no ede pa na yen mu bi no ye siasie ne se abambofo no ye do mu nyina gugu ya hye so esu yen bi se Adom voter region ekonkwa na akwa se amanfo aniwo abambofo no sabi wutie kasa efiri oba nyina se omunhunzo mo ya de hye ho no mo no ehu ato mo so ni ade anu na se ye hwehwem because we come no for abambofo bi wo ho o man pani die no hu ye for you go ku bu dada na voter region o study abambofo ni bi ekopi so that means obi wo the covid e wo ni team of voter region ho o ti ase yes politics nipa no ni obesisi ene ni yo be ye no ene na be ma na ye nyina ye hu se nipa no politics na oye because we dey ministries ni abambofo akugugu be na se voter region ho no mo ebi wo ho na wo say bi copy so because of say registration ye bi no mo keka say kokko bi free Togo ene e ba Ghana ni ade me nia hwe obi ti Ghana ha ye bi say ye nia gaba otre ejako so ye Ghana ni esu ne fa free ebrochire what you say etu wo bring so obi free Cote d'Ivoire ana so obi free Togo efu onye Ghana ni no ye Ghana ni ade that then enwa election to be ni
Kofi me na say
ye adwuma yen ya free fe me na say ko to abana na Ghana for ni decide say edwuma na wo so wa ye no fine ya ba say to also ana say apan na wo ho no
me na say Kofi
ye na oye no ana say ye kan ye ne ba
me na say Kofi okay me da say Kofi ma me fa Nana Bonsu aba ho no so Nana Bonsu ma kwa aba yentie o
sile
hello Nana
Mini afini ka.
Anka so na bo su yente o.
Mini ani wo. Sese ni okoja me. Sije odaroma wa fidi afirika sepa. Bebe isi ji boss wo bia kwa me budu achima. Yese monya kanya de ye adwuma. Meto wo pempe. Matthew, I'm saying a poet and for man pa na na mo corridor so me tia no. The me kan say minia. Oh my Ghana. Nyame hira wo man no. Wo me nya botre ma ye ho. Insamba ko ye tro sabi. Sitting member of parliament. Eti ni pepe sila gunani. Ibi wi ase kwai. Kasa John say na adia ukazima wa yama politician. Sidu kasi wuti hwa woye programming semifra adia sedo ye no na no ye sedu ketia hwala isaini ni woni seba neighbors wada upale consider da na ambassador me for ekransie Ghana ye na ye baako enye ne ye di so je ko voter kufo fanzo e bi koye kufo fanzo e bi cross fanzo e bi koye eti Ghana fo mi nka ko mo na sahenkura college minion no ba won tayi se adia omampanini sadadie bodawro amati America omati mi petrol shop
okay na bo so be na say na bo so be na say mami ko poko asena me fa Mohammed assalamu alaikum
wa alaikum salam ala
Mohammed yenti na me adom ho ye yenti Mohammed
Mbacho de abachire ya yetire Mbacho ba me yire no betima tire bia na so ntintire so ye fulani ni wanya Ghana ni me say betima tire bia na so ntintire bi ena mbese me mu
okay Mohammed bin say okay also betima about 030221170124 ora about Mbacho na okata
enti no bibi say no obo amane no omuti se ampa say enti na mo ha kasa ne ekoso no aye Matthew makam say wo slow ni ade eno so kra boa ama ne friend disinformation e reduce obi be kwa koye bibi no ahye dade abetum because of internet yinti no obi koye bibi a wotumi sene na obon say amanfo asom na bi kura asem ne nye no kre because me video bi a security a sa video no kra nye sa brain esi enso amanfo fin say police fo bi na ebronko fo bi na omo de eba ne sa haban bo nhihye ye no
okay Robert mamefa awudu obey me last caller awudu chen kam nwa kwaba
mejodo
awudu kasa friend
kasa fi ejuma fun
okay awudu yente o am last caller
yo minia mi awuna wo panarata woto yan ko sham metazu mi je ma oye na do banko ekufado na oye Dr. Rashid Kosi Etuafo ojina NPPG wo adwuma ko ele CM minia kasa woke eni sifu waka kasa we ya no asaso waka kasa we ebe adwuma ko ele CM fa di wo share station at better eni ye ni at 14 okasa metro mass pickups 2 odu ko 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 so enti wo ina wo ko police station biara wo ka said wo ka di etutra tam wo ho nso ane de mi na se esojafo yo bo ho let's go baba banya no chede we to kwa mo bi register na o send any tifo wana adwumbana another tifo po a wo adwum wo all the registration ho no the beauty no ye security for so won so we nya be de wo baba mo biara a odo chodi di biara no wa chodi di me de ma se yanko nchiram
me da say entimi for frefo bia bio ma men kan messages na aba no kakra na fe wi a yemfa dwuma de nko wie ora Paul Boaten eso Charles Cote and a message about so Ghanaians shouldn't make another mistake and put Ghana into Nanado's hands again. On the day or day abandon Oyibo Boaten anyway free Achuma Neribihi Kumasi. Also watching you live. Also watching you live. I'm really enjoying the show. Greetings to Dr. Kingsley Nyako, incoming MP Kwadaso constituency. Nana Kwame observers are worried. Also signing a friend. Also 4 more for Nana Teria YGF Wise. Yo, I say, hey, no social distances. Cra. I don't know they abandon. But you say a video na ye no. studio had the ultimate social distancing no protocols in kind no ye di so Nana Kwame Osanado is in a comfortable lead Nana Kwame de no Kwesi Michael Forsberg or say 4 more for Nana Nana Kwame Bio or say Baumia will take the baton for another 8 years and also there but Amo Hega I said did the electoral commission have done nothing because I think all Ghanaians knows what's going on in the world. CJ, we Ghanaians shouldn't listen and stop indiscipline. Sweden and or the free the Abba. And it's just a couple of your messages, Abba. Robertin, your best ma, yadi anusino, what's a metrato.
Na ye man hyehyɛ no yɛ den ɛnkɔ so pɛpɛɛpɛ education no nkɔ fam na afei nso bambɔfoɔ no mo ɔmo nya ade a ɛbɛma obi anya akwanya akasatia wɔn ɛba ne saa ɛmagidi a dodoɔ no wɔ mu ɛto apen kakra enti no ɔmo madwuma no ɛnkɔ so to na afei nso amanyɔfoɔ no nso mesrɛ wɔn mo nyinyi bambɔfoɔ no bebree because ɛne na wo position na ka wɔkyerɛ bɛba bɛdi akonya nso bambɔfoɔ koro ya wo kasa tia wɔn ni ɔmo ana no bɛba bɛyɛ adwuma enti mesrɛ sɛ ɔman Ghana pɛ ane yɛwɔ ɛnneɛma ɛbɛyɛ ɛde agu kwan ma aboa ɛno na wɔsi obi ate ase especially mlantewa no da bia meka obi soma ase kodi bɔne adwene hu mienu bi sɛ udru wakɔkora bɔn fie so a onkɔ ne fie ana ne party office nkɔgye wo pension no enti obra bia wo bɔ no hwɛ ni yie enkodi obi achi ne nkɔsɛ wabrabɔ ɔman ne yɛsom no enye ntɔkwa enye gidigidi enti no mesrɛ sɛ yendi mlaso na yema registration exercise no enko so ne ntimi nkoto aba Ghana enya ntu
Rapport Boating security analyst Africa Center for Security and Intelligence Studies na pay obeka me ho studio na yedu dwumedie no ye de ebrel yasaka ora Evans ne Mako Chief Bini na ora Johnson se edu nketia enso so e wo zoom no so abusia me sorry no me foto yes tiawa tene ora Boating kan ye na no we eye di ntwere ene ekwa kwatwere enya ntokwa dwene wan kasa wa brabo ho especially in these extraordinary times COVID-19 essence you coming okotoaba di huni social distancing face mask sanitizer ne ade no yemfanya adwuma they say COVID-19 cases no esra na ekọ our destinies are in our own hands meaning the chief Jerry Force Minda production team solid production team AC Ohene Eda no Wilbecam Pedu Joshua Tigo Johnny Alasani Abdullahi Awudu Presela any production team in camera for MCR for and will be Obi Bia Ase. Ocean live Adom TV Samson out here and Kasempa 94.7 FM. Now